Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Ideapad Slim 5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you found yourself with a cracked screen on your Lenovo Ideapad Slim 5, you're not alone. This issue can occur from accidental drops or pressure applied to the screen. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further damage, affecting the display quality and potentially causing internal issues. Today, we'll guide you through the steps to replace that cracked screen and get your laptop back in top shape. For this repair, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a suction cup, and of course, a replacement screen specifically for the Lenovo Ideapad Slim 5. Now, let's get started with the repair. First, ensure your device is turned off and unplugged. Begin by removing the screws from the back panel using the Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws safe, as you'll need them later. Once all screws are removed, carefully use your plastic opening tool to pry open the back panel, starting at a corner and gently working your way around. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the casing. Now, once the back panel is off, locate the screen connector. This is usually found towards the top of the motherboard. Gently disconnect the cable by lifting the connector tab, being careful not to pull on the wires themselves. With the cable disconnected, we can now focus on removing the cracked screen. Look for screws securing the screen to the hinges. These can typically be found on both sides of the screen. Carefully remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver, ensuring you don't drop them inside the laptop. Once the screws are out, gently lift the screen away from the hinges. Be mindful of any remaining connections. You may need to disconnect additional cables carefully. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new screen and align it with the hinges. Secure it in place with the screws you removed earlier. Reconnect the screen cable to the motherboard, ensuring it clicks into place securely. After everything is connected, replace the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing it down until it clicks into place. Finally, screw the back panel back on using the screws you saved. To ensure your repair was successful, power on your device and check that the new screen displays correctly. If everything looks good, congratulations, you've successfully replaced your screen. To prevent this issue from happening again, consider using a sturdy case or screen protector to shield your device from accidental damage. Always be cautious when handling your laptop to avoid drops or pressure. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.